mai koutou. Hi, I'm Deacon.
And Morena Winton School, ko Macy. I'm Macy.
Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for the 21st of March.
Today is Raapa, which means Wednesday.
Right on to te kupu o te wiki. This week's word is E Oma.
E Oma means run.
On to health and safety news. The clear sky UV forecast for today is low. Keep dry, Winton School.
Make sure you're wearing your potae when you're outside.
Here are today's notices.
Please do not play in the gardens or run through them at the due to lunch eating area.
All year 4 to 8 Kapa Haka children practice at 12:30 today in the hall. Please bring your lunch with you.
Ambassador leaders, please meet Mrs Collett at morning tea today in the group room. Thank you.
Here's a message from Troy.
Hello, I am Troy, the conservation leader. Right now I'm standing outside of the nature area where lots of you like to play. But unfortunately, a lot of branches and rubbish is being left around. And I'm going to show you what I mean by that. And this is one example I mean by a broken branch. Mr Wadsworth had to pull this branch off since someone had snapped it and it was dying and damaged.
Nice and loud because the traffic.
I know these boards are fun to use, but look what they are doing to the trees. These boards aren't even supposed to be here. They are for the school gardener, and they are supposed to be being used for something else, so they will be being removed. We want you to keep on playing in the nature area, but without the boards and without breaking the branches and without the rubbish. And what is even more ridiculous is we found half of a sandpit toy in here. Come on, Winton School. This is called the nature area for a reason. We are not respecting this place, so please do not break branches and please do not leave your rubbish lying around this area. I'll be keeping an eye out at lunch times for kids who are doing the right things, and you'll get a sticker.
On to birthday news.
Happy birthday to Jake in room 13.
Had the best day, Jake.
Now, if you miss any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
From everyone here, the N.E.W.S news team. Ka kite popo.
Harida, and see you tomorrow, Winton School.